Okay guys, today we have something very interesting, at least interesting to me. Some of you might laugh because you've probably seen them before or owned some of them before. Mobile game joystick touchscreen joypad. Woo, that's a mouthful. Well, let me open them, and they're supposed to be something that goes on top of your screen and helps with your gaming, I guess. And the only game I downloaded on my phone was PUBG, since I've seen a lot of people play that stuff. And I told you before, I'm not really much of a gamer. I don't really know too much about games, unless it's some boomer games, which GTA 5, Need for Speed, Blur, you know, that cool stuff. This thing is so tiny. It's seriously tiny. I don't know how it works, but we're gonna learn that, I think, in a moment. Let's put this on the side. It looks tiny, though. Anyway, let me put the other one. Let me open it up. Watch your hands when you use knives, even for unboxing, guys. Knives are not toys, as cute as they might look. Be very, very careful with them. And the other one, same story. We take the piece out. And I'm guessing when you open, let's say PUBG, like this, you put these on the sides where the controls are. It's said that it's supposed to work for Android and Apple, but that's to be seen now. Oh, it looks like they fit pretty good, though. When you put them in here, I don't know. I never tried these things before, so I'll try now. Let me lower the volume just a little bit. If it ever opens. Okay, I think we're in. I just entered a name that it said has been taken. Newbie. I guess I'm a newbie here, because I never really played it before. How do you... Okay, go. Start. And let's see if I can play it. I don't know where you're supposed to position these things, or how these really work, but I'll have to wait and see. So looks like I have to put this in here somewhere, so I can use punches. I can start running. Huh. It's interesting, I would say. And I don't really know much beyond interesting on this one, because I don't know this game very well. But yeah, they do what they're supposed to, at least, looks like. Probably you kids out there know more than me about this thing, and how to utilize it properly. And before I get killed by someone, probably one of you watching this video, who sniped me out because I don't know how to play this one. And, oh, look at that. I'm crawling. But yeah, these thumb thingies work as they're supposed to. So it looks like you can use them. And they're very interesting, I would say. They're an interesting piece of tech. Huh. I never seen those before, but you guys probably know more than me on it. And yes, I tried them. So if you want to go ahead and get them, they're pretty cheap. Made by Billboard again. Not sponsored, by the way. If Billboard is watching this one, well, let me know. And with that said, that's all I had for this video, guys. I just wanted to show you that I have these for no reason at all. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching, and bye.